How to contact seller on Temu. Sometimes we have questions about a product, need to return a request or clarify the shipping details. So if we do not contact the seller directly, issues can be resolved quickly. So let's reach the sellers on Temu step by step. We open up browser and go to temu.com if we are not logged in. You can also do so. Or you can download the Temu application directly and log in with your account if you're not logged. Now once we do so, what we can do is basically go to the particular product that we want. For example, if I would like to have this earbuds, you can tap on that specific product, open up the product page, and you can scroll down to the store or the seller info section. So you can scroll down, we have this section right here, and we can just go over and drop it down. And there we go. And when we scroll a bit, you can find the product seller. For example, for this brand, it's Lan XUN. So you can find it up and tap on their page and open up that page, and once we are headed over this page, we can just go over and look out for the message option or directly tap on the contact seller option if available. We can just go and tap on it and contact them. You can just go over and ask your questions before buying. You can use useful for it is very useful for product inquiries and clarifications. You can check it out. Or if not that, we can just go over and look out for the review section, and there we can just go over and write out a review or how you would like to contact them, and you can just go over and ask for your queries, and they should probably answer you there as well. You can see they have been answering them. You can just go over and check it out as well. And apart from that, what we can do is we can use the Temu help center as well sometimes. So for that, look out for your profile in the top and look out for the customer support. And within the customer support, we can go to the help center and just go over and tap on contact support option, or we have requested and refund, different options available. You can explain your issue, and supporting me contact the seller for you. You can just go over and do so. And that's it. You may follow up this method if you'd like to do so. Keep messages very clear and polite, and include the order number if relevant. And also attach photos if discussing defects, and track response time in the app notifications. And they should resolve the issues quickly. You can just go and follow it up. So that's how we contact the seller on Temu very easily. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like, subscribe, and like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.